What's up, guys? We back. You already know what's going on. We finna get this rating video on the road. I got my sidekick back with me, and you know she came to hand out some zeros as usual. So we finna get into that, and you know what to do. Keep sending them things to my inbox on Facebook, Instagram. I may put my email in and make it a little easier, but yeah, let's get started. Starting with S197 Joe. What's up, bro? You gave me the headlights idea, or the fog light idea. Your car clean. Hey, y'all like my case before we get started? Alright.
Don't nobody care about that little bitty case.
Alright, your car clean, bro. We got the same fog lights. You got the grill I want. Your headlights, they nice. You got them done. Those wheels, a little different to me, but they're nice. From where it started, it's a huge difference. Like, it came a long ways. So I'm gonna give you a 10. I'm gonna give you a 10-10. And you're gonna be the thumbnail. Maybe. What you think?
10.
10?
Mm-hmm.
Why we can't be? Never mind.
Get slapped.
Alright, moving on. Roush 50. Okay, 2012 lava red supercharged. Okay then. You got the big supercharge on there, Roush. You got a beat up air filter though. It's cool though. Your car look black, but it's not black, it's lava red, so that's definitely something different. You don't see many lava red cars, which is pretty nice. Don't look like you got too much done to it besides the wheels and the supercharger. Okay, then you got your girl driving. She can't see over the hood. Wow. Damn, man, you wrecked it. Yep, good to see you got it fixed. That lava red, it's clean, man. It almost look purple in some pictures. It look black. I'm going to give it a... Hold on, let me see, can I find a good picture of it? I'm going to give it a 9 or 10. You should paint your cowl hood the same color as your car. And I think it'll be a lot better if everything is painted one color. What you think?
I'll give it an 8.
8?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty clean though. Moving on. Nguage Max. What's up, bro? Your car clean. That black on black. It's always a black on black Nguage on my video. And that's fine, that's fine. I can work with that. Look pretty much stock. You got wheels laying maybe lowered. The chrome wheels looked good on it. I think you should have kept the chrome. It looked good. So but other than that, the car basically stock. I'm gonna give the car a 7. 2004. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7. It looked good, but it's pretty much stock, so can't go wrong there. So 7. What you think?
7.
Good. That wanna be 350? You from Aiken, Edgefield, Augusta. Hold on, man. My phone not clicking your name. Tell you what. Hey, name that. There's always something holding me up. There we go. See what you got going on right here. Okay, then video. Your car clean. Nice looking wheels, that white and blue stripe. Pretty clean. Like it may be a 15 or 16. Maybe a 17. I forget. I know you sent me your mod list. So, I'm gonna go look at that. Oh, you didn't send me the mod list. Yeah. 2016 base, Oxford white. SVE wheels, BC coilovers. 18 manifold wet lockout, Lund tune, RTR grill with lights. Okay then. So you got a good little bit of stuff done to your car. Your car pretty clean. So I ain't like those PP wheels. I think I like the wheels you got better. The wheels you got 9 better. It make it just makes it stand out. What the fuck? What the fuck? like that.
You petty.
I'm going to like that. So I'm gonna give your car. I'm gonna give your car a 8 or 10. It's pretty clean. I think you should do the like a red pinstripe. That white, red, and blue theme. I think that'd be pretty nice. Okay, then go. Okay, then Cam. Cam too. Still look good though. What you gonna give it?
Same rate you gave it. What you gave it?
I don't know. I forgot.
Did you give it an 8?
Yeah, 7 or 8. Yeah, I think it was 8.
I'll give it an 8.
It's pretty clean.
Mm-hmm.
We moving on. I think to that nguage guy. Yeah, East Coast nguage. Bro, my phone is tripping. Like, what's up with you? Like, if you don't want to work, just say that. That's all you gotta say. Okay then. I told you I don't like them wheels. I told you that already. I told you that. I think you should do a Cobra front bumper. Maybe a spoiler wheel, some type. You should do some wheels. That color is
Ugly.
it's like a primer gray. It's definitely not a gray that you see on these cars from the factory. So you said smoke gray. So I like it. Kinda. It's kinda more of a primer gray light. You should do some headlights, front bumper, and some more wheels and lower it down. So I'm gonna have to give you a 6 or 10 because I mean it's a work in progress. I can't knock it. It's just like mine, work in progress. So instead it came from being white. Hey, it came from being white. I think I like the gray better. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a 6. What you gonna give it?
I like the gray better than the white, but I give it a 5. Still ugly.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, let me see who next. Fernando Toledo. Hey, I probably said that wrong. Oh well. Okay then, yellow. You got the. I really don't like these body style. I don't know much about them, but like you got some aftermarket headlights and the side markers, front side markers, however they go on them cars. It look pretty good. You take some. Whoever take the pictures of it, take some good pictures. I think you take your own. Them tail lights, they look good. The pictures make the car look just that much better. So that's a plus. You got some good quality pictures going on. That roller is nice. Maybe, then again, maybe you don't take your own pictures. Whoever the hell Cartel is. Or Carter. Whatever the hell they say. But that yellow is different. I'm gonna give it a 8 or 10. You need some more wheels, maybe bags, maybe a hood. I think that car would be a whole lot different. It'd be a lot better. To me anyway. That's just my opinion. But what you gonna give it?
I give it like a 8.5, 9. I like it.
You like the yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Look at you. John Kirkland. Rice. Rice serve boy. You got the badge going on. I don't like those wheels. Those look like the wheels off one of the older Mustangs. I don't think I like them. They tuck a little too much for my taste. But the car clean. That ain't got silver. I gotta give it a 10 just because it's silver. Like, I love that color. But I don't like the wheels. So I give it a 10, but I give it a 9 on the wheels. No, 5.
You can't do that. It's
I give it a 5 on the wheels, but a 10 on the car.
You can't do that. It's an overall rating. Stop cheating.
That's not cheating.
Yes, it is.
I like the car, but I don't like the wheels. I don't like the wheels. You even got the underglow.
You gotta rate it all together.
I don't like the wheels.
That's not how your rating works. How you gonna bend your own rules?
Then it's an eco boost. Oh, I gotta give you a 0. You got a fucking eco. No, I'm just playing. It's a clean car, man. It's a clean eco. So that's different. You race it. It's bagged. I don't like those wheels though. I don't know what it is. Just don't like them. Maybe they're wider. Maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a 10. I'm gonna give the wheels a 5. What you think?
I give it a 10. Clean. I like it.
Look at you. Look at you. Casper Coyote. Just a plain white car. And like you got some wheels going on. You got wheels. The yellow lights in the front. I don't like those lights. You should delete those. Wait. Car clean. Like you may do some racing with it. Because you got the slicks on it or whatever. Look at that. That's an Impala? Damn, that's an Impala doing all that noise. Okay then. You race everything, huh? Car clean, can't knock it. It's plain. And I'm gonna follow you on YouTube. I'm definitely gonna do that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. Let me see. If I can spell your name. Really ain't that good at spelling these days. Subscribed. You make sure you do that back. I'm gonna take it back. But car clean, you know, you can do some racing with it. You should do some tail lights. Maybe some headlights. Lower it down. And you should get the VMS racing wheels. I really think those wheels will set this car off with it being white, and they just dropped the ones with the silver lip. That'd be a good different thing right there. Okay then. Pulling pretty good. But I'm gonna give it an 8 or 10. Those wheels right there look good, man. You should have kept those wheels. 8 or 10. What you give it?
Same thing. 8.
Alright.
Yeah.
666 Lucille. Oh my god, we got a Dodge boy on here. Oh my god. So we got another slow boy. 348, I think. Something like that. 666. You the devil, huh? Okay, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't like Chargers unless they wide body. And just for the fact that you even done work to your Charger shows that you like cars somewhat. You definitely got a grocery getter. I'm gonna have to give it like a 6 or 10 though. I'm really not a fan of that body style Charger, but wide body, they look good. You still got some work done to it and making it look better. So I'm gonna give it a 6. And yeah, I think you should bag it and go wide body. You go wide body and come back, I'll give you 10. But nah, for real, car pretty clean. I'm just give it a 6 just 'cause I don't like that body style. That's just me. So, what you think?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Don't you want a challenge?
I'll get 7.
Yeah, we
I
got.
don't like it.
We got to break up.
What?
The real KL5. Welcome. Superman themed car. What the fuck?
I like that.
I don't like it. It's different. It's super different. Now I can give you that. I can give you a 10 for being different. But the overall car is, I don't like Superman. I don't like Superman. I don't like his colors. Okay. But what I think you should do, that car be definitely clean. You should bag it. You should get another set of wheels, because those wheels, that ain't working. Everything else about it is clean. It's different. But I don't like those, that set of wheels. And you should do like a 6-piston caliper up front, 4-piston Brembo. And you should take that cover off the back. That cover is pointless. Take it off. The car clean though. You can't go wrong with that Superman theme. I can't knock it. I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 because I think it should be bad. And those brake caliper thingies. Wow. Wow. It's clean though, man. It's definitely different. you keep going the way you going, you gonna have a pretty nice car when you're done with it. And I'm gonna give you a 7. What you gonna get Superman? Oops. Go ahead, Superman.
A 8.
A 8.
Yeah, I'll give it 8.
Alright, bet. It look good right there. We ain't have all them colors in it.
The red's throwing me off. I
Yeah.
don't like the red, but it's clean.
But anyways, that's it. Catch us next week doing the same thing, talking about the same thing over and over and over again. Maybe she might not be with me because I might kick her off. But you know what to do. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell an auntie to tell an uncle.
That part.
Get them cars sent in, man, so we can get it done. And that's it.